Today we're going to be installing a set of wheel spacers on this Isuzu D-Max in order to increase its track width and give it the much aggressive stance that it needs. When ordering wheel spacers, there's a few things you need to understand in order to choose the right set for your vehicle. So let's dive into it. PCD. PCD stands for pitch circle diameter. This is the bolt pattern for your vehicle. A spacer with the wrong bolt pattern will not fit your vehicle, so please check before ordering. Centre bore. Essential to ensuring your spacer is hub-centric. The centre bore measurement allows the spacer to fit perfectly onto the hub of your vehicle. It's also worth checking the thread size and pitch. All of our spacers are supplied with new wheel bolts, nuts and studs, depending on the size and application. We have done our best to cross-check all fitment variations on our website, but please do check the thread is correct for your vehicle. Finally, you can decide what size spacers you want. We offer spacers from 20mm all the way up to 60mm. A great way to check what spacers you can use is to measure from the outer edge of the tyre to the edge of the wing. Being a pickup truck, the Isuzu has quite a lot of clearance, so we can fit some larger spacers. We've gone with a 40mm set all round. Firstly, place a jack under the appropriate jacking point on the car. Before lifting the wheel into the air, break the wheel nuts loose. Lift the car up and place an axle stand under the subframe for additional safety. Remove the wheel nuts before taking off the wheel. Use a wire brush to clean the hub surface. I'm also going to apply a small amount of copper grease to prevent the spacer sticking to the hub. This set of spacers uses the factory stud to mount the spacer to the hub. Place the spacer onto the hub and use the supplied nuts to secure the spacer to the hub. Tighten the nuts, securing the spacer to the hub using the manufacturer recommended torque specification. You may need someone to press the brake while you do this. You can now install the wheel. Use the factory wheel nuts and tighten by hand. Lower the car and torque the nuts in a star formation to the manufacturer specifications. And finally, repeat the process on the remaining wheels to take your vehicle from this to this.